what's going on? So today we are actually now working on the Jeep. I've been pretty busy with the house, painting and everything, getting the house ready. So we're not doing anything with this Jeep today. We're actually going to be working with the garage door. Yeah, that's right, the garage door. And this will actually be something with the Jeep, but the garage door. And this is a hack if you hate having your garage door opener remote on your visor. Just like me, I hate that thing. And I wanted to come up with something much better. So I went ahead and bought a little momentary switch. This, you just press it, comes back right up. And I took out the motherboard on the remote for the garage. And this is the little button that actually closes the garage. Yep. So I wanted to put a switch on this instead of having this. I'll put this somewhere on the Jeep and control the door with this. Now there's a couple ways you could find out. So that's the switch right here, and on the back you're gonna have to solder. And there's a couple ways you can actually look to see which of these control the door, or the switch I should say. The best way I came up with was just take these two leads right here, and you can just kind of like put it right on top of these like that, and once you press it, you'll know which one is which. And for me, now let me open this back up, get some light here. So for me, it's these two right here, or these two actually. I noticed that you can use either or. So I'm gonna be soldering this. Alright, so here's the installation. The best place to put it was right here, double-sided tape. Just drill a hole and it's gonna go right there, which is perfect for having this transmit for the garage door. You're not hiding it. Yeah, pretty basic, but great way to get rid of this huge thing on your visor. Now you got like a little switch. Looks good too. Matches almost matches everything in the car. Yeah, if you like it, I highly recommend it.